Court is in session and calls number 321-448. Case of style of state of Texas versus Tanika Mose. Ms. Mose, is that your full name?
Yes, sir.
Ms. Mose, how are you doing?
Thank you.
That's good. Ms. Mose, your attorney is Mr. James Padgett. Mr. James Padgett had a family emergency,
Yes, sir.
so he will not be here today. So your case will be reset,
Yes, sir.
and your case will be reset till May 6th of 2022. You can stand on the 4X in front of our court coordinator. She'll give you a reset. Once you get your reset, you will be free to go and you have a blessed day.
You too, thanks.
Thank you. You're welcome. Okay,
I'm speaking to my back end. McDean, you said, oh, that's the one on Zoom?
right. Okay, court is in session and calls number 321-098. The case is style the state of Texas versus Rakeem Camille McBean. Mr. McBean, you can take your mic off of mute.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Mr. McBean, how are you
Yes,
doing?
sir. I got you.
How are you doing?
I'm doing all right, sir.
Okay, Mr. McBean, you're represented in this case by Attorney James Padgett. Your attorney had a family emergency.
Yes, sir.
He will not be here today, so your case will be set till May 6th of 2022. Stay in contact with your attorney. You're free to go, and you have a blessed day. Hold on a minute.
John, I'm sorry to interrupt. The last, they were talking about resetting to today to make a plea. Should he know to
Yeah,
come
he'll
here?
have to be here in person.
Yes, sir. No, I'm saying for next time. So he
Right,
knows to come here.
yeah. So, Mr. McBean, the next time you're gonna have to be in court in person on May 6th, 2022.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All right, so your case is being reset, excuse me, to May 6th of 2022. You need to be here in person, stay in contact with your attorney. You're free to go and you have a blessed day.
All right. You too, man.
Thank you. Court is in session in two cases. First case is cause number 329-566. Second case is cause number 329-986. Both cases are styled the state of Texas versus Rudy Abdulio Garcia Rivera. Mr. Garcia Rivera, is that your full name? All right. How are you doing, Mr. Garcia Rivera? I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. Mr. Garcia Rivera, you are here represented by your attorney, Attorney John West. Attorney West, how are you doing?
Good, Your Honor. Thank you.
That's good. And the state is represented by Attorney Blake Ham. Attorney Ham, how are you doing?
Doing well, thank you, Your Honor.
Mr. West, what is your announcement in Mr. Garcia's cases?
Your Honor, Mr. Garcia is currently going through the immigration process. I've been speaking with his immigration attorney about this. We're trying to get some stuff finished up, and this may affect that at this moment. So we'd like a little time to maybe get that taken care of first.
Okay, how much time do you need?
I would say at least 60 days if that's possible.
Okay, 60 days.
I may ask for more time at that point, but I'll at least give the attorney, other attorney some time to get done what he needs to do.
It's 6:29 here.
So.
I'm not sure if that's on a Friday or Monday. Does it matter?
Oh, no, that's a Wednesday. I will be gone on that day. That's the
Okay.
beginning of our vacation. I'll be gone.
Okay, when you
Let's do-
vacation ends?
I'm coming back to, the 11th of July. We'll be back.
Okay, so you said you come back July 11th.
Well, we come back on July 10th, but July 11th.
What about July 15th?
That's fine, man.
Okay, Mr. Garcia Rivera, your cases will be reset to July 15 of 2022. Your attorney will be signing for your reset. Once you get your reset from your attorney, you'll be free to go. Stay in contact with your attorney and your bondsman. You can stand on the Forex, and you have a blessed day. And Mr. West, I think these are your only two cases?
I believe so, Your Honor, yes.
You're free to go as well, and you have a
Thank
blessed
you,
day.
Your Honor. Have a good weekend. Ready?
Have two processes. Lewis is process and Thomas is process.
Okay, thanks. Court is back in session in cause number 328850, case of style of state of Texas versus Christy Faye Gans. Ms. Gans, would you please come forward? Ms. Gans, is your full name Christy Faye Gans?
Yes, sir.
How you doing, Ms. Gans?
I'm doing fine. How about you?
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking, Ms. Gans. You're here represented by your attorney, Nathan Reynolds. Attorney Reynolds, how are you doing?
Doing well, Judge.
Mr. Reynolds, what is your announcement in Ms. Gans' case?
Judge, we've received discovery and an offer from the prosecutor, and we're asking that this case be placed on the trial docket.
Okay, give us the trial date.
Give me a second, please. May 23rd.
Okay, this case will be reset for trial on May 23rd of 2022. Mr. Reynolds, you can sign for the reset, and Ms. Gans, once you get your reset from your attorney, you'll be free to go and you have a blessed day. And Mr. Reynolds, I think this is your only case. You'll be free to go as well and you have a blessed day.
It says, Judge.
Thank you, sir.
You are.
One second. Yes, as soon as you leave out these doors, turn to the left and a quick left, there'll be two blue double doors. The lady that's sitting at that window, she will get that. Show her what I'm talking about.
Next case is cause number 326856. Case of style of state of Texas versus Dwight Jermaine Lewis. Mr. Lewis, is your name, your full name Dwight Jermaine Lewis?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Check and see if we got some bond conditions. How are you doing, Mr. Lewis?
You have to speak up, sir.
You doing all right? Mr. Lewis, last time you was here, your case was set for you to hire, reset, excuse me, for you to hire an attorney. Have you hired your attorney? It's paid in full. Who did you hire? Rife Kimler? Okay, that's fine. Okay, Mr. Kimler, can we check to see if he has a letter of rep?
Judge, if you had a letter of record, would be in the, my system, when did you hire him?
Right after this started, I have my receipt and everything, balance due.
No, we're not disputing that. I'm just saying whatever-
She just need a date, like, did you hire him like 2 months ago, a month ago, 3 months ago? Just, you could just get, yes, huh?
About 3 months ago.
About 3 months ago? Wow.
Hey, can you see if, they did not send us a letter of rep for class number 326856? He said he had it right there. And that's what I told him. Can you see if they like miss?
I have this case pulled up here, but I don't see an attorney rep letter.
See if you can see it. Because if they coded it wrong, it won't come to us. Elizabeth's gonna check for me. Thank you. If they code it wrong downstairs, it won't come up to us.
I can check our e-file, but that's the only place I can check is Amundsen.
Yes, that's what I'm saying.
This is Amundsen.
Oh, you looked in them.
Yeah, this right here is Amundsen.
You may want to call them when you leave, sir, and let them know,
Yeah, I'm calling these five. It's the second time he didn't show
he just, I mean, it could very well be, a glitch for it coming up to us. Because when he files it with a different office.
Okay. Let's go ahead on and reset this case. You're gonna reset him 30 days. Are you working?
up. Yes, sir.
Okay,
I'm a mechanic shop, and plus I'm trying to go get my CDL. This is the only thing that's stopping.
oh, okay. Would 30 days be sufficient or you need longer?
It'll work. I mean, what's on the table? I'm ready to get this over with.
Well-
so I can go do what I need to do. I'm trying to get my CDL. This is stopping.
Yeah.
Okay, so is 5/6 good or do you want longer?
That's fine.
Okay. Just let them know that we don't have the letter of rep.
Is there any offers on the table?
Well, I mean, you saying that you have an attorney, I mean, we can't,
Yeah,
they can't talk to you.
Would you step over here, Sean, or do you reset? And you can ask your attorney that when you speak with him. You don't have to sign, I'm just gonna. Oh, yeah, you do. My apologies. Go ahead and sign for me in my box. You won't be able to see it, but I will. So just let me know you don't have it, okay? It's an easy fix. Coordinates at the top unless he changes it and tells you otherwise. Okay.
All right, you have a blessed day, sir. Next case is cause number 327-904. Case is styled the state of Texas versus Derek D. Thomas or Derek Demond Thomas. Mr. Thomas, is that your full name?
Yes, sir.
How you doing, Mr. Thomas?
I woke up this morning.
You woke up? Well, that's a good thing.
Yes, sir. I don't like to do anything else will come after that.
Yeah. Now, Mr. Thomas, see here that your case was reset the last time to give you an opportunity to hire your attorney. Have you hired your attorney?
No, sir. I'm waiting on my money so I can hire another attorney. Right now, I'm under the doctor. I had got a call me. And, but the attorney that I do have, Mr. Jewell, he's not no defense attorney, criminal defense attorney.
Oh, okay, you talking about the attorney that you have for your car wreck?
I thought it was the same thing, and it's not. He
Oh,
said
okay.
it's two different things. So I'm waiting on my money so I can get me a criminal defense attorney.
You say you're waiting on your money. You anticipate getting your money in time soon?
Yes, sir.
Sounds like, I mean, I don't know if it's a lawsuit going on.
Yeah, I don't know. You talking about a settlement or something?
Yes, sir.
Y'all are, well, I
Yeah.
don't need to go into details, but I mean,
Yeah, well,
it may be soon, it may be later. I don't know. I mean,
Sounds speculative, Judge.
right.
I just need a little bit more time, sir.
Well, how much time do you need?
About 60 days.
Okay, let's reset him for 60 days.
I thought all the lawyers was the same, and he was like, no.
No, lawyers are like doctors. You don't go to a dentist to do a heart operation.
I ain't know I was being honest, you know.
You got criminal lawyers,
That's what he was saying.
personal injury lawyers, I mean, specialize in different areas of the law. Like doctors specialize in different areas of the medical field.
That's what he was telling.
Okay.
It's gonna be 6:10.
Okay, it's gonna be reset to June 10th of 2022. Stand on the Forex, get your reset. Once you get your reset, you'll be free to go. You have a blessed day. Court is in session and calls number 330-102. Case is style of State of Texas versus Elax L. King. Mr. King is present in court. Mr. King, how are you doing?
All right, yourself, Your Honor.
I'm doing fine now. Mr. King, your full name is Elax L. King?
Yes, sir.
Mr. King, you're represented by your attorney, Ms. Laurie Perazzo, who is appearing via Zoom. Ms. Perazzo, how are you doing?
I'm doing well, Your Honor. Thank you.
That's good. Ms. Perazzo, what is your announcement in Mr. King's case?
Your Honor, if I could have one more reset so we can finish reviewing all of the discovery, and then we'll be able to make an announcement at that time.
Okay.
So how long, 36?
How much time do you need?
30 days will be
30.
sufficient, Your Honor. Yes, sir.
6.
Okay, it's going to be reset to May 6th of 2022. Ms. Perazzo, your reset will be sent to you. I think this is your only case. You're free to go and you have a blessed day. And Mr. King, you can get your reset here in court. You're going to stand on the 4X. Once you get your reset from our court coordinator, you'll be free to go and you have a blessed day.
You as well, Your Honor.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome.
All right. All right.
Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a blessed morning.
You're welcome.
Court is in session in two cases. First case is cause number 321-974. Second case is cause number 327-932. Both cases are styled the state of Texas versus Brandon Jarrell Morton. Mr. Morton, is that your full name?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Mr. Morton, how are you doing?
All right.
Mr. Morton, you're here represented by your attorney who is appearing on Zoom, Mr. Tom Burbank. Mr. Burbank, how are you doing?
Doing fine, Judge. Good morning.
Good morning. Now, Mr. Gilliam,
Yes, sir.
what was the probation office position on this case?
To revoke, sir.
I know we had a motion to revoke probation hearing. And if I'm not mistaken, I think Mr. Martin was paying or something. Y'all was doing something in the interim, if I'm not
He was
mistaken.
Reset 90 days, but has not paid during that time.
Okay,
Make a payment Monday. I lost my job when y'all reset it. I have two jobs now. I can make a payment Monday.
okay, Mr. Burbank.
Yes, Your Honor. Also, I don't know if they have it. I looked in my file. There was also in reference to a DWI class. And I have a certificate of completion, and it looks like the original, and it should have been sent down to the district attorney's office. If that's still an open obligation, I don't know. Mr. Ham, is that still an allegation?
No, Your Honor, we recognize that he took his DWI class. I believe he's done his community service hours. Correct. He just hasn't paid what he owes.
So it's just- And we have asked for a trial on the,
That's the second case.
right on the second case, Judge. We're just
Right.
waiting for the retrial.
Okay, so now how much does he owe?
So it was 1332.
1332? Okay. And
He has credit for $639 paid, which brings it down to 1332.
okay. Let me ask you this here. Was he, how much time did he spend in jail? Has he ever had any jail time credited toward his fine and court costs?
On the DWI.
Okay. Because I think, if I'm not mistaken, you could correct me. You were incarcerated for not having an electronic monitor, is that correct?
I don't know if that was the reason, but
I know you was here one time, and Mr. Burbank.
Yeah, he asked me, did I have one? I think I said I didn't. And then when I went in, before I got out, they put it on.
Right. So what I'm saying, how long did you stay in jail on that? Let me ask you this here, if I can. When did that happen? Do you remember what month? Mr. Burbank, I just want to make sure he had all this time that was credited.
Probably 5.
Right.
Sure.
That was one of the first times. I think it was back, was it September or October of last year? Might have been September.
Do you have, when you counted at that time, Mr. Ham, do you know whether or not he spent any time in jail for that to get credit?
Go back, double check your judge.
Okay.
If you can ask him, Brandon, how much time did you spend in jail before you got the monitor?
I'm not sure.
He said he's not sure.
That included
That included that?
any other days.
So you said about 6 days?
Yes, Your Honor.
So if you take 6 days off, see if you give him 6 days credit toward his fine and court costs, it'll bring it down $600?
I can pay the 13, I can pay the bill.
You can pay it?
Whatever you're asking for, I can pay it. I just need time to pay.
No, I'm saying, okay, you saying you was gonna make a payment on Monday.
Yes, sir.
How much are you gonna pay on Monday?
If I can make the 600, I'll make the 600 pay. I'm not sure how much my check is gonna be.
32 minus
So you're gonna have about 732 left, huh?
Yeah, I get paid. every Monday.
$732, yes. Sir.
I get paid every Monday. 732.
Right.
Correct.
Yeah, if I have it, I'll pay the whole thing.
You say if,
But if not, I can
Okay.
pay it next Monday for the remaining balance.
But within 30 days, you can.
Yes.
okay, let's do this here. Let's reset him 30 days. To pay the balance. Now, first of all, we need to give him credit for the $600.
If he pays 732, it'll leave a balance of 600.
Right. And then we'll give him credit toward that fine in court, that 600.
If he
understand
pays
what
the
we're saying?
732,
So if I pay the 732, you're gonna give me court.
Yes, Your Honor, if he pays $732, state will dismiss the MTRP.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
okay, so we're gonna reset this for 30, you need 30 days? Hold on, Mr. Burbank?
Do you know when the next case is set for, Judge, on the reset?
Well, we've been setting them on the same time.
They're set together.
We've been setting them together.
Okay, so the trial will be set on,
Well, what we're gonna do is if he pays that, then we will set it for trial after the, disposition of this case.
yes, Your Honor.
Okay, so let's give him 45 days. Okay. So you got 45 days. You need to pay it as soon as possible. If you're gonna have to pay something Monday, start paying it like that, but you need to do something to come, okay. So let's,
Ask Mr. Burbank at 624 here for him.
Mr. Burbank, is June 24th good for you?
Your Honor, if you're going to be there in the court June 24th, then I can be there on 24th also, Your Honor.
Okay. All right. So, Mr. Martin, your case is gonna be reset to June 24th. Stand over in front of the court coordinator, get your reset. Once you get your reset, you'll be free to go. And that balance is gonna be
732.
732.
And he needs to know, Judge, that has to be paid as soon as possible, not till the 24th of June.
Right.
It
That's
needs to
what
be
I was,
taken
yeah,
care of, so we can get a dismissal and then take care of his other case.
right. Okay, you heard your attorney?
Yeah. Court has been more than generous in this case, and he needs to take care of it immediately.
Okay.
Thank you.
Welcome. Okay. Now your case is being reset to June 24th for you to pay the balance. I think he did everything else. And so once you get your reset, you'll be free to go and stay in contact with your attorney, your bondsman. And you have a blessed day. And Mr. Burbank, I think this is your only two cases.
This is my only case, Judge. Have a great weekend. May I be
All right.
excused?
All right, same to you. You have a blessed day. All right,
Thank you.
you may be excused.